Some roads take longer, but that's okay. I'm still on my way. I don't need to race the world, I don't need to have it all. Every step I take today is another reason not to fall. Sometimes life is quiet rain, sometimes sunshine finds my face. Even when I lose my sight, something keeps me moving through the haze. Maybe I am closer than I think I am. Maybe all these little moments are part of a bigger plan. I'm still on my way, still learning every day. Even when the mountains seem too high, I know I'll find a way. I'm still on my way, with hope inside my veins. The future doesn't have to be perfect to become something great. I'm still on my way. I have carried doubts before, like a backpack full of stones, but I don't have to hold them now. I can leave them on the road. There are dreams I haven't met, there are places left to see, and the person I'm becoming feels a little stronger every week. Maybe all the waiting wasn't wasted time. Maybe every broken chapter helped me rewrite mine. I'm still on my way, still learning every day. Even when the mountains seem too high, I know I'll find a way. I'm still on my way, with hope inside my veins. The future doesn't have to be perfect to become something great. I'm still on my way. Stars don't hurry through the night, the river doesn't force its flow. Everything arrives eventually, more than we'll ever know. So I'll trust this moment and breathe a little deeper. The road is still unfolding, and I'm becoming stronger. I'm still on my way, still growing every day. Every little victory matters more than words can say. I'm still on my way, and I believe again, the best part of the story may be waiting just ahead. I'm still on my way, still on my way, still on my way. One more step, one more day, I'm still on my